Hey everyone, this is Sahil here from Funnel Talk. If you want to learn some tips and strategies about affiliate marketing or really want to make a career in affiliate marketing, please consider subscribing my channel. Today in this video, I'll be sharing some incredible tips and strategies that can change the way you promote your affiliate products and can take you right at the top of affiliate dashboard. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's understand the concept of affiliate marketing first. In affiliate marketing, we are not building or creating any product of our own. We are just selling or reselling the stuff which are already existing in the market. We are not here to reinvent the wheel. The stuff already exists in the market. The products and services are already there. Our jobs as an affiliate marketer, we are just taking those stuff in front of the right people, in front of our right audience. So here comes the main question now. If everybody is selling the same product or they're promoting the same offers, how can we still differentiate our offer from their offers? First, let's talk about this thing. What's the biggest problem if you are just trying to promote the product itself? In this case, if you have a product, you'll be competing with other people who also has the same product. This gonna result in a price war. The price of the item will gonna go down at the bottom very quickly. The only way you can decommoditize your product is by stop selling product and start creating offers. So what is an offer? An offer is a bundle of products stacked together, all designed to make it irresistible to the customer. It works in any kind of business. If you're selling products on Amazon, doing e-commerce, affiliate, or MLM. Right now, people are selling product and they are fighting for the lowest price. In this case, whosoever is selling the product at cheap price is gonna win the game. But that's the horrible way of doing the business. So the next question is, how do you create offers? It all comes down to what kind of product or service you are selling in the market. So let's take an example of a supplement. Suppose if you are selling a whey protein supplement as your product. Right now you are just selling it alone as a product. We're gonna convert into an offer. So the first item in our offer would be the whey protein supplement itself. The second item you can add is an app that can track their daily macros intake, their carbohydrates, protein, and fats intake. The third item, it can be a complete guide on how to use that supplement, like before the workout or after the workout. And the fourth item you can add is a 3 months diet plan in which you can add that supplement as one of the meals. Now you have enhanced that value of the product so much that anybody who's looking for that product will definitely gonna buy from you because they see the value in your product. Make sure your product should be unique and not a commodity that can be purchased from anywhere or everywhere. The one thing that the most new affiliate marketers struggle is how to create bonuses that will entice and convert their prospects into the dream customers. The truth is that the better you know your market, the easier it will be for you to create your bonus products. I'll be providing you a bunch of different ideas that you can use into your product and can convert your product into a really great offer. Most of these ideas will gonna be information based because these products are easier to create and fastest to provide. So let's get started with the first one. The first one in our list is PLR. PLR stands for private label rights. If you go on Google right now and type in PLR weight loss, PLR network marketing, or PLR e-commerce, you will get a whole different types of ebooks, articles, videos, and softwares. Depending on the right, you can either buy the rights at a very minimal price, and then you can sell that product or repackage it. You can change the e-cover design. It all depends on what kind of rights you get from that product, and then you can sell it as your own product. The second one in our list is audiobooks. Audiobooks often sell for more than the physical books. You can use the earlier idea of PLR. You can pick up a book of PLR depending upon your market, and then you can convert that book into audio version. In this way, you can sell that product for more price. You can add that audio version of the book into your offer stack as a product, and in this way you are adding more value. The third one in our list is audio interviews. You can take a look into your market and can really find some good hooks. Maybe you can find some people who are already doing good into that market. Suppose if you are selling a supplement, you can go find some good fitness lovers, the people who are already famous in that niche and everybody knows about them. You can ask for audio interview with them. Most of the people will say yes, and then you can use that interview as a part of your offer. You can add that product, and in this way you can even sell your product at a better price. The fourth idea in our list is mastermind roundtables. If you have a mastermind group, You can grab your 10 to 15 really good people and just interview them, ask them a couple of questions, and you can use that interview as a part of your bonus again. And then it will give you two things. First, it will give you more valuable content, and the second thing, it will help people to know more about you, to know more what you do in your mastermind groups, and maybe they will be interested in joining that group. The fifth idea in our list is video interviews. It's just same like audio interviews, except you are just recording your screen. So if you're selling some information products or training products, people will love to watch the videos and how can they get results from that product. You can create some additional valuable video content around your main product, and then you can sell that as a bonus to your people who have purchased the product through your link. The last but not the least in our list is detailed reviews. Detailed reviews is actually the backbone of any product or services. People loves to read about the stuff they are going to buy. The people who are on the fence of spending their hard-earned money will love to have as much information as possible. Most of the affiliate marketers don't do the efforts to write the reviews about the product. By doing this, you can set yourself apart from those competition, and people will thank you for it. I hope this video of mine will help you in brainstorming some new ideas which can help you in creating some offer stack around your main product. If you like my videos, please consider sharing it with your friends, families, and your business partners. If you really want to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level and really want somebody who can hold your hand and can walk you through the right path, I have an amazing opportunity for you all. It's a 30-day One Funnel Away challenge. It's a live coaching and training from multi-millionaires people like Russell Brunson, Steve Larsen, Jim Edwards, and Julie. I have also some super cool, amazing bonuses worth more than $10,000. If you sign up using my link, I will send you my super cool bonuses and also my personal support during the entire challenge. All you have to do is sign up for the challenge using my affiliate link, and I'll send you your super cool bonuses within 48 hours. Now go sign up for the challenge, and I'll see you all next time.